Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious milkshake using custard powder. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need about 1/4 cup of custard powder, 2 cups of cold milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having these items prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started on this simple, sweet treat. Now, let's create our creamy custard base. In a small bowl, combine the custard powder with just a splash of the cold milk, whisking until it forms a lump-free, smooth paste. Next, gently heat the remaining milk and the 2 tablespoons of sugar in a saucepan over medium heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Once warm, slowly pour in your custard paste, continuously stirring until the mixture thickens to a lovely, rich consistency. With your custard base ready, it's time to blend. Make sure the custard has cooled completely. This is crucial for a thick, refreshing milkshake. Once cool, transfer the custard into your blender. Add the half teaspoon of vanilla extract for that extra touch of flavor. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture is perfectly smooth and wonderfully frothy. Your delightful custard milkshake is now ready to enjoy. Pour it into your favorite tall glasses. For an extra special touch, you can top it with a swirl of whipped cream, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or even some chocolate shavings. This easy recipe is perfect for a quick dessert or a refreshing treat on a warm day. Don't forget to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.